It's printing again. Yesterday, the first version came out like this. So there was jam on the nozzle. So just open it and force the filament out. Now it's printing okay, but I'm not gonna reveal what is it gonna be. There's a lot of supports over there, so it's a bit of a complicated part, but it's for my drone. I'm gonna show it once I get back from the boat, where I'm gonna head now. So I was thinking about doing some work with the reefing lines and the lazy jacks today, but it's a little bit too windy to do stuff with the mainsail, because I have to pull it up, put it down, do that kind of stuff. And yeah, instead I think I'm gonna do some wiring on the deck, because the forecast says that it's not gonna rain for a couple of days. So now it's a good time to do some deck work. I'm not gonna do new holes, but there's a few plugs going out. I think they're going from there. I also have to pull down the wire from the mast, which gives the data for the wind meter. I'm gonna show you. These over here. There's been some connection issues with these. Oh, well, the other one. A little bit more with the other one. But so I bought a new plug that I'm gonna put there. It's gonna hold two wires, so I'm gonna put these two to go to a single wire and go into the new plug. Then I'm gonna use that because I have the third one. That's the spotlight that goes there. It's a really powerful LED light. And then do this hole under here where the wind meter. Is it here? Yeah, this is what I had last year. So now I'm gonna do a proper thing over there, so I can pull it up easily and put it down when I'm removing the mast. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but because the wind is blowing, and I forgot to take my external mic with me, so the internal mic on my camera, it's a piece of something like all the internal mics on the cameras, DSLR cameras. So I put the third wire over here. This one seems to be okay. This one seems to be the better one. So I'm replacing this. It had only ground and the positive. But the new one, where is it? Oh, here. Got 3 connections. So I'm gonna put the ground, and the positive is, the other one is gonna be the anchor light, the other one is gonna be the running light when I'm motoring. And this plug over here, I'm gonna use that for the spotlight, which lights when you're approaching land and it's dark. It's good to have it's over here. This bad boy. It's pretty powerful. So yeah. So let's do some wiring. And because all my lights are LEDs, it matters that the ground, the positive, they're in right order. Because in AC and I think in DC, when you're using like tungsten bulbs, it doesn't matter which way the current goes. But with LED lights, it matters. But correct me if I'm wrong. Oh yeah, the sun got down already. It took me way too long to make this. Somehow the wires were really difficult. They didn't like to cooperate with me. So I'm just using this as a temporary solution to figure out if the wires are in right order. So now I'm gonna plug it in and just see what happens. Hope there's no short circuit. Okay, this is how it looks from the inside. I got a lot of leaks over the years from these holes over there. That's why it's dropping some rusty fiberglass stuff under there. But yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna just hook this on and hope everything goes well. Finally, all the mast lights working. Anchor lights, running lights, motoring lights, and the spotlight. So that was it. Now I'm gonna go home. Really hungry, and I have to edit another video. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue. Gonna do a switch over here for the spotlight because I have only 2 switches here. And yeah, there's also the navigation lights, those lights that are on the back, the white one, and on the bow there's a red green. So I'm gonna do a switch on this cover over here for the spotlight, or should I do it for the anchor light? Well, I'm not sure. It may be better to put the anchor light switch there because I use it so rarely, and if there's a tough situation, it's better to have the spotlight over here, easily accessible. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. It's just a wiring thing over there, it's not a big deal. But yeah, I hope you like this one. Put a thumbs up, subscribe, and all the other stuff. And I see, almost forgot to show you this. So seems pretty good. I'm gonna show you. Here it is now when all the support material has been removed. And now let's see if it works. So this is the handle for my drone. Okay. So this is a prototype number 2. Okay, well, number 3, because this was the first one. So it's just to see if the locking mechanism works, and it works. After that I made this, but this one blocks one of those vision cameras that takes pictures from the ground. So this model I made a hole over there, but as you can see it's not centered, so I might do a modification for that. But let's try the locking mechanism. I also have to make this again. because now it blocks the camera. It goes like this. You can see it on this side. Or it should go through here. Oh, yeah, can you see it? Over here. Yeah, well, it should go over here. So there. There. That's like, isn't it? So those here. Okay. A little force. And yeah. So it goes well, but I have to design kind of a hole in this bar, or make it a little bit different, or just two small things that go over there. But otherwise, I think it's pretty good. I might do more holes to the handle over here, just to reduce the air resistance. Yeah, this is for catching the drone while sailing, and also launching the drone while sailing. And this should, well, yeah. When I put the extra feet to the front, it should be level, laid down like this, because the extra feet, they lift it like that. It should. I'm gonna test that also out. But yeah, for easy catching from the air. So yeah, hope you like this one. Thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.